Hey business bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tala, aka the Marketing Bully, and today I'm going to go over Selzy with you, which is a new email marketing platform that I learned about a few weeks ago, and I've been using it, and it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go over some of my favorite features and what I love about it, and why I think it'd be helpful for you to use as a small business owner. First, they have a free option, and it gives you access to a lot of like the standard and basic tools that you need to get started. After that, it starts at just $5 a month per every 1,000 subscribers if you want to pay per the credits. If not, then the plans start at $5 a month. And then the next plan up to unlock majority of the feature is $10 a month. After that, they do have kind of like an enterprise plan where you have to call and set it up. But even still, the $10 a month plan is awesome, right? So I have the plan that's $10 a month. And with this plan, I was able to unlock a lot of features that are not available on some of the other email marketing tools that I've used for e-commerce brands. For example, something that I do not like that a lot of e-commerce email marketing platforms do, they do not allow you to adjust the margins. And so what ends up happening is there's a lot of awkward space in between the images and the text and the headers and so on. It makes your emails look really long and kind of unintentional. With Selzy, though, you can reduce or add margins in between each of the elements that you add in, which helps a lot in terms of making sure that your emails are mobile optimized, to ensure that no one is confused and that there's no awkward spacing in the emails. The next thing that I like is that Selzy has its own AI image generator built into it. And so you can describe what type of images you want generated and design them right inside of Selzy, which makes designing the emails so freaking cool. The next thing is they have this really dope email template library. There are dozens of templates that are included with your paid plan. There are also some that are included in the free plan as well. And they have templates for everything from running a sale, product education, inviting people to webinars, virtual events, downloading freebies. 9 times out of 10, if you think about it, they probably have a template for it. The templates are so easy to use and set up and work with. You could literally have an email done and up and running in less than 15 minutes from start to finish with the help of their tools, their AI generator, and just how easy the platform is to use. Next, I love that you can create forms within Selzy and you can design and customize these forms and collect all types of information and data, including emails, first and last names. And then it gives you two different options for publishing these forms. The first option is to embed the form, which is really important if you don't have a website and you plan to use a tool to build a landing page like Canva, for example. You can make your form in Selzy and embed that form in Canva just using the HTML code that it gives you. Alternatively, you can embed the form onto your website, or you can make the form open as a pop up on your website. And it works really well for e-commerce brands because Selzy also integrates and connects with the most popular e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and a few other ones like Square and Wix. Selzy is also great for building simple automations to get started. So this is a really cool way to personalize your email experience. Another thing about personalization with Selzy, there are so many platforms that don't allow you to personalize the subject line with a first name tag or a last name tag, or using what their email at name is as well. Selzy gives you all of those options and a few other options as well. Selzy also has its own emoji database built into Selzy as well, which makes incorporating emojis and ensuring that they show up the same and work across all devices for your readers a seamless and effortless experience. And so those are just some of my favorite features about Selzy. I highly recommend using it. It's a very user friendly, intuitive tool to use. If you want to see some tutorials, drop a comment down below and let me know. Make sure you let me know what questions you have about Selzy as well. I can't recommend it enough for beginners who are just getting started. It is a really great tool for people who are not technically like design savvy. You don't want to spend a lot of time in Canva, and you don't want to pay a designer, but you just have some content ideas that you want to try with your email list. Selzy is really good for that. When it comes to where I would rank Selzy in terms of other platforms that I use, I definitely rank it as a top 10 tool for beginners who are just getting started. The data is very easy to understand too, and it does give you like charts. It tells you about the segments that you're creating. It also goes over things like open rate, click rate, bounce rate, and you can generate and run reports to specific campaigns to get more data that is targeted to specific things. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Make sure you check the description box if you want to give Selzy a try. My affiliate link is down below, and I'm here to help if you have any questions. As always, I hope to see you on these YouTube streets and on the timeline on Twitter, killing it. And I can't wait to see the campaigns that you design with Selzy.